At Constance K Aromatic Candles and Aromatherapy, founded by Constance King, our candle making workshops inspire creativity and mindfulness in a peaceful setting. In 90 minutes, you will create a custom candle using eco-friendly coconut and apricot wax, phthalate-free oils, and optional intention crystals. You will also craft a personalized aromatherapy roll-on with premium organic oils while learning about the benefits of natural ingredients and essential oils for well-being and calm. Our workshops are perfect for mom groups, friends' nights out, or social gatherings, blending creativity with self-care. You can bring your own wine or drinks, and optional food is available upon request if needed. We also offer candle making classes for children, great for family bonding or small groups. By the end, participants will leave with a handcrafted candle, a custom roll-on, and new insights into how natural ingredients enhance well-being. Join us at Constance K in Boca Raton for a creative, calming experience. We can't wait to see you soon.